Welcome to Tigerlily, our 42-foot cheoylee sailboat that we've sailed from Seattle to Mexico. This is Colby, I'm Mariah, and these are our two cats, Namiria and Took. We're out to explore the Sea of Cortez this year, and we really hope you'll follow along and enjoy our adventures. Good sunny morning from La Paz. It is the day after our mishap with our hard drive. So I am exporting that video right now. Yeah, that was some of our favorite footage, I think. I don't really care about Cabo. We didn't do much in Cabo. We didn't film much in Cabo. But Muertos and Balandra, I think, were some of my faves. So that's upsetting and that's really sad. But we are leaving La Paz again. So it is the 24th of January. So when we said we were going to sit in La Paz for a couple months, that is in fact what we've done. But I think, not tomorrow, but Friday, assuming that the port's going to be open, I think we are planning to officially head out of La Paz for good and just keep heading north. So head towards Loreto. We're going to go to Isla San Francisco, which everybody has been talking about, so I'm really excited to go there. Yeah. I sent Colby to Walmart because, well, it's Wednesday and our video has to go up tomorrow, so I kind of have no choice but to sit here and be on the boat and edit. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, our video is uploaded and is going to be premiering tomorrow, so that's good. Now, Colby just came back with groceries, so let's start putting those away. The best snack ever. Also, these are like the best ramen that we found. It's like a super easy meal. All the shiz that we bought. So the reason we take our paper off of our cans is because it's a thing that roaches will lay eggs in between. They like cardboard, they like paper and cardboard, which is paper. So to maybe hinder a roach infestation, we label the tops of our cans, every can, and then we take the paper off and store them that way. And some of our friends actually take their paper off and then soak all of their cans in bleach and water. I think is just an extra precaution.
Good afternoon from La Paz. It is... Hi, buds. Okay. Well, it's been an interesting couple of days. The port is closed currently. We just got out of the dock here a couple of days ago at Marina de La Paz, which was super awesome being at the dock just for a couple days. I washed the boat, climbed the mast, did a few projects, and also had internet on like for 4 days straight, which was awesome, and hung out with some friends, and yeah, kind of got spoiled being on a dock again now. So here we are at anchor again, but you know, being anchor has its ups too. That sunset just from sitting in the cockpit right here. But anyway, we were trying to head out of here soon. I had a boat that I was gonna do a little bit of work on, but they ended up leaving ASAP before the port closed yesterday. So that's all fine. Get out of there. Sorry, cat's getting in the trash. Anyway, they tried to leave before the port closed, so they got out. So we've been here. The port's been closed, and I mean, it's funny enough because right now it's calm, and we could easily get out of here, but the port's still closed, and if you leave while it's closed, you can receive a fine. So it's just not worth it. We'll just stay here until it's open, which won't be till probably not tomorrow, but the day after. That's okay because we got some provisioning to do for fruits and veggies, which we'll probably end up doing tomorrow. We didn't go anywhere today because it was just really windy today and odd anchoring in La Paz. We just didn't want to leave the boat, so we've been on board all day. So we did a few things, but not a lot. That's why this is the first and last video probably of today. Mariah right now is down there making some chili for tonight, and we're gonna eat that. I'm gonna pop some popcorn, I'm gonna watch a movie, and then tomorrow's gonna be a busy day of last provisioning before we try and get the heck out of here. We are still in La Paz. Been kind of stuck here with the port closed. The port is still closed today. So I'm not dressed well. I haven't been doing anything the past couple days really. But we want to try and leave here tomorrow. Weather looks okay tomorrow, so hopefully the port's open. But we got some stuff to do before then, like fill up some jerry cans of diesel and gas. Anyway, I'm gonna load the dinghy and get going if this cat ever lets me go. He's been sleeping. He's been sleeping like all day, and now he decides to come out here and cuddle with me. I'm realizing now that I left my sunglasses on the boat, which is a bummer. It's bright. But I just got diesel cans and gasoline cans filled up. Going back on the dinghy. Now I'm walking over to a bank, get out some cash, so we can have some check out. We get to some of the smaller towns up north. Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Good morning. It is hopefully our last day in La Paz. Forever. Not forever, but you know what I mean. We are not coming back to La Paz this season. So, super excited. We have been stuck here for 2 weeks. And when I say stuck, I actually mean stuck. The ports have been closed this whole time for like a week now. So, I think today is the first day that the port has been opened. So we are running to town, grabbing some last minute stuff. I'm gonna go get some yarn, some more yarn for my next like 3 projects. So I have something to do while we're out. And then I think we're getting out of here today. So yeah, we're going to Parisina to get me some yarn. And then across the street from Parisina is a ceramics place that has tortilla warmers boxes that we've been looking for. So let's go do that. Fabric store we go. This would be so good. I would buy everything in
Alright, so we just got back from running our last minute errands here in La Paz, and we want to leave La Paz for the final time this year, probably. And I'm going to try and check out with the port captain. So, excuse my really bad Spanish. Puerto Capitán, Puerto Capitán, Puerto Capitán. Aquí velero Tigerlily.
Buen día, es Capitanía de Puerto, es Capitanía de Puerto, canal 1414.
14. Puerto Capitán.
Adelante, Capitanía.
Hola, lo siento, mi español es no menos, pero we are trying to leave today.
Repeat.
We are leaving La Paz today.
We are leaving La Paz. ¿Tripulantes?
Hoy, today.
¿Cuántos tripulantes?
Dos.
¿Marina? ¿De qué marina?
No marina, we are anchored.
Con la bahía, ¿es correcto?
Sí.
¿Dónde se dirige?
Can you say that again?
Ahora está ahí copiado, gracias. Mañana una fecha.
Gracias. Alright, and that's it. We're checked out of La Paz. Told you I had really bad Spanish. be able to see when I sit down. That's Fossil. It's not that bad out here. It's a little wavy, but it's not bad.
No, it's not all.